What if I told you that you can create complete AI videos without filming anything and without spending any money? From generating the script to creating the video scenes, and even making the thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create AI videos using only 3 tools: ChatGPT for scripting, Veo 3.1 for video generation, and Nano Banana 2 for thumbnails and visuals. Let's start with the first step, generating the script. The first step in creating any video is the script. Instead of writing everything manually, I use ChatGPT to generate the entire script. For example, let's say I want to create a short survival story video. Write a short cinematic survival story script about a camper lost in the forest. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generates a complete script with storytelling structure. You can also ask it to generate video ideas, hooks, titles, and even SEO descriptions. ChatGPT makes content creation much faster because it removes the hardest part, coming up with ideas and writing scripts. Many creators use it to generate outlines, storytelling scripts, and YouTube titles. Now that we have the script, the next step is generating the video scenes. This is where AI video generators like Veo come in. Veo allows you to create cinematic video clips just by describing the scene. The third tool I use is Nano Banana 2. This tool generates high-quality images using AI prompts. For example, as you can see, it generates a highly detailed image which can be used for thumbnails or visual storytelling. When you combine these 3 tools together, you get a complete AI content creation system. ChatGPT generates the script, Veo generates the video scenes, and Nano Banana generates the thumbnails and visuals. For a full video, you simply generate multiple scenes. For example, within seconds, the AI generates a realistic video scene based on the prompt. This means you can create content without filming, without expensive equipment, and without spending hours editing. So that's how I create AI videos using just 3 tools. If you want more videos like this where I test new AI tools and workflows, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments.